The ocean floor is full of nightmares. And then there's the sea pig. Don't let the name fool you. It's pink, it's creepy, and it walks on the abyss like a ghost from another world. Scientists found these strange creatures living thousands of meters below the surface, where sunlight never reaches, and the pressure could crush anything else. What makes it insane? Sea pigs feed by sucking nutrients from the mud, filtering the ocean floor for microscopic food. And they do it in complete darkness, surrounded by the coldest, most extreme conditions on Earth. Its tiny legs wobble as it moves, almost like it's crawling straight out of your nightmares. Locals call it a ghost of the deep, and once you see it, you'll never forget it. Comment below. Would you survive if you saw this walking on the ocean floor? But first, smash like and subscribe for 1 week of unstoppable luck before this video ends.